Hi, I'm Dr. Christine Sauer, founder of Rebuild Your Ultimate Health. Did you know your blood glucose or sugar levels are not the same as your insulin levels? Insulin is a hormone that lowers blood sugar, but high insulin does not necessarily mean your sugar is low. It's just the opposite. Long-term, high insulin leads to insulin resistance or metabolic syndrome and leads to type 2 diabetes and all its nasty consequences. A high fasting insulin level is often the first measurable sign that you may be on the road to developing type 2 diabetes. Let me know what you think in the comments below.